Let's begin this session with homework exercise number 20 from section 8.3. A man uses a loan program for a small business to obtain a loan to help expand his vending machine business. The man borrows $25,000 for 2 years at a simple interest rate of 1.9%. Determine the amount of money the man must repay after 2 years. That amount of money corresponds to the future value of the loan. So A equals P times 1 plus RT. We're trying to find A. Principal is the original amount he borrows, which is $25,000 times the number 1 plus the rate. Given to be 1.9% as a decimal would be 0.019. Move it over 2 places. And the amount of time is 2 years, so we multiply by 2. Again, we can do this all in one step on the calculator using parentheses to get the correct answer. So let's substitute it into the calculator, and we get 25,000 left paren 1 plus 0.019, the rate is a decimal, times 2 years for 2, and then you need a right paren to close off that entire 1 plus RT, and we would get the man must repay exactly $25,950. Number 21, a money market fund advertises a simple interest rate of 12%. Find the total amount received on an investment of $6,000 for 17 months. Okay, so the total amount, I'm assuming that they mean the future value. That means the interest plus the $6,000 that you invested. So the future value, again, is P times 1 plus RT. The principal is invested $6,000. 1 plus the rate is given to be 12% as a decimal, 0.12. And the amount of time is 17 months. So in years, it's 17 divided by 12. Again, we can do this all in one step on our calculator using parentheses to get the future value. So substituting into the calculator, putting the numbers in the calculator, 6,000 left paren 1 plus the rate 0.12 as a decimal times, I can use parentheses, or times 17 months, so I got to divide by 12, and then I need to close parentheses around 17/12, and then another right paren to close 1 plus RT, so I need to end with 2 right parens, and I get $7,020. Question number 22. Marcia Wade borrows $5,500 and agrees to pay back in 5 years. If the simple interest rate is 15%, find the total amount she pays back. Again, that would correspond to the future value. So formula for future value is A times 1. A equals P times 1 plus RT. The future value, we're trying to find how much she needs to pay back. She borrowed $5,500. That's your principal. 1 plus the rate is given at 15% as a decimal, 0.15, and she borrowed it for 5 years, so times 5. And again, we can do this in our calculator all in one step and get the future value. So we'll get 5,500 left paren 1 plus the rate is a decimal, 0.15, 15%, times 5, and then another right paren to close off the 1 plus RT. And we get exactly $9,625. Round to the nearest dollar. It came out to be a whole number, so we just put in that value. That ends this session, or this section of all the homework problems for section 8.3. If you have any questions, send me an email at tswiersz, tswiersz@hodges.edu, or call me at 239-938-7805. Thank you.